This is drawing tools, instrument, and materials. Number 1. Pencil. A. Store pencil in pencil case of container to avoid breaking the lid. Keep away from moisture. B. Cleaning and maintenance. Wipe off outer surface with a dry cloth, pain breaking the lid. C. Common problem and solution. Lid breaking. Use the quality sharpener and avoid dropping and pencil. Number 2. Eraser. A. Storage. Keep in a small box or pouch of prevent dust and dirt buildup. B. Clearing and maintenance. Rub a surface on clean proper to remove dirty layers. C. Common problems and solution. Becomes an hard, dirty, store and clean, dry. C. Common problem and solution. Become hard or dirty, store in clean, dry. Place and avoid mixing with colored pencil. 3. Roller. A. Store it. Place in a flat inside a pencil case on holder to prevent building. B. Clearing and maintenance. Wipe with a damp cloth to remove pencil mark or ink stains. C. Common problem and solution. Cracking or bending. Store properly and avoid excessive pressure. 4. Compass. A. Store it. Keep in a protective case of prevent the needle from dulling or bending. B. Cleaning and maintenance. Wipe metal parts with a dry cloth after use to avoid cross. C. Common problem and solution. Loose joint or dull tips. Tighten cross and sharpen in needle carefully. 5. Protector. A. Store flat in a folder or pencil case in avoid scratches and bending. B. Clearing and maintenance. Clean with a soft cloth to keep it transparent. C. Common problem and solution. Scratches are faded, marking handle gently and avoid contact with the sharp end. 7. Glue stick. A. Store. Keep a covered tightly and store in a cold dry place. B. Cleaning and maintenance. Maintenance. Wipe off excess glue from the cup and edges. C. Common problem and solution. Drying out. Always close the cup properly after use. And thank you. This is all proper materials.